How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 17th of May 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine. So yesterday we studied about the concept of Demas rule. Isn't class? So who will tell me what is Demas rule? In this lesson, we will revise Demas and Bode-Mass rule. Okay? Demas and Bode-Mass rule. Yes, Huzafa, you tell me what is the full form of Demas? Very good. D stands for divide. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition and S for subtraction. Okay class? If we have a question and in which we have all the operations are used, that is divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction, so what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले? Very good, we will apply Demas rule on it. ठीक है, हम उसके ऊपर क्या अप्लाई करते हैं? Demas rule. Demas means divide, M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. For example, I have a question that is 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 minus 9. If you look class, in this question we have all the operations are used. The first is addition, which is lying between 18 and 4. Isn't? Then multiplication, which is lying between 4 and 6. Then division, which is lying between 6 and 2. Then subtraction, which is lying between 2 and 9. Isn't class? Very good. So in this way we will apply Demas rule. अगर हमारे पास ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं जिसके अंदर सब ऑपरेशन जो हैं वो एट अ टाइम गिवन हो, सो वी विल अप्लाई Demas rule on it. So according to Demas rule, we will first solve this portion. Why we will solve this portion first class? Yes, Adishwa, you tell me. Very good. As you know, we will follow Demas rule. So according to Demas, first we will solve division. So 18 plus 4 as it is. Fine. Then multiplication sign class. 6 divided by 2. We will solve 6 divided by 2. 6 पे divide क्या हो रहा है? 2. So we will place 6 inside the division and 2 is outside the division. Isn't class? Okay. So I will read the table of 2 to make the nearest number, which is 6. So 2 1 times 2, 2 times 4 and 2 3 times 6. So 2 3 times 6. We have 3 in the end. जब हमने 6 को divide किया है 2 पे, so we get 3 in the end. Fine. We will write 3 here. minus The second operation which is lying between 4 and 3. And the third operation which is minus, which is lying between 3 and 9. Isn't class? Okay. So according to the mass rule, we will first solve multiplication. We will first solve this portion where multiplication is lying. Okay? अब यहाँ पे जो है multiplication कहाँ पे involve हो रहा है? 4 and 3 के mid में. So it's mean 4 3 times 12. 4 3 times 12. 18 as it is आ जाएगा. Plus 4 3 times 12 minus 9 as it is. Is it clear? This is how we can solve a question according to the mass rule. Clear है ये सबको? Fine. In next step we have addition and minus, subtraction sign. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे अब इसमें? Very good. We will follow the mass rule. So according to the mass rule, first we will solve addition and then we will solve subtraction. Fine class? So 18 plus 12, which is, first we will solve this portion. So 18 plus 12. We have 8 for upper and 2 for lower. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 for upper and 2 for lower. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 2 for lower. Fine. So in the end we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2-digit number. So we will write the number which is at unit place here and 1 as a carry. Fine class. The next number which is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 for upper and 1 for lower. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 18 plus 12 is 30. We will write 30 here. Minus 9. Clear है सबको? If we have a question in which all the operations are used, so what would we do? We will first solve division portion, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Fine? Now 30 minus 9. 30 minus 9. 0 minus 9 is it possible? 0 minus 9. Yes class, is it possible? 0 minus 9, no. So we will take carry from the next number. Now this number will become 2-digit number which is 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. और यहाँ पे क्या है हमारे पास remaining 2. So 2 as it is आ जाएगा. Fine. We will write 21 here. We will write 21 here. Now class, I am going to revise this question. You have to be listened very carefully. I have 18 plus 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 minus 9. So in this question we have all the operations that are used. So according to the mass rule, we will first follow addition or division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Clear class? Now I am going to take another example which is related to board mass. So class, this is all which is related to the mass rule. Now I am going to revise board mass rule. Fine. So who will tell me what is board mass? Yes, Alvina, you tell me. What is board mass? Very good. Board mass stands for, B stands for brackets, bracket, O stands for of, division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. फाइन क्लास, ऐसे क्वेश्चन जिसके अंदर सब ऑपरेशंस भी यूज होते हैं और उसके साथ ब्रैकेट भी इन्वॉल्व होती है, सो उसको अगर हम बोर्ड में उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, बोर्ड मैथ रूल. ठीक है, अगर हम बोर्ड मैथ रूल के थ्रू उसको सॉल्व करेंगे सो वो क्या रहता है, इट इज इजी टू सॉल्व. Fine. Now here I have a example. You have to be listen very carefully. 3 multiply by 7 plus 12. I have an example in which bracket is involved, addition sign is involved, and multiplication sign is involved. Isn't class? So if you look, we have multiplication sign is lying between 3 and 7. Isn't? multiplication sign जो है वो कहाँ पे lie कर रहे हैं, 3 and 7 के मिड में, and plus sign is lying between 7 and 12. And there is also involvement of bracket in between 7 and 12 and 3 and 7. Isn't class? Okay. So according to board math, we have bracket of division, multiplication, subtraction and addition. जो हमारे पास एक सीक्वेंस बनता है वो क्या होता है, ब्रैकेट, जिसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं ब्रैकेट, देन डिवीजन साइन, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, then addition sign, and then subtraction. Fine. First we have bracket, then we have division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So according to question, first we will solve bracket portion. Okay, and what is the sign in between? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. साइन कौन सा इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है ब्रैकेट में, मल्टीप्लीकेशन. इफ यू लुक, वी हैव मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज इन्वॉल्व. सो 3 7 times 21, 3 7 times 21, then we have a plus sign which we will write as it is, and then we will write 12. Fine class. जब हमारे पास ब्रैकेट इन्वॉल्व होती है तो हम किस तरह जो है वो सॉल्व करते हैं, ये सबको क्लियर है. नाउ 21 plus 12, 21 plus 12, 1 for upper and 2 for lower, so we have 3 in total. Isn't class? We have 3 in total, and for next, which is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, so we have we have a question in which two signs are involved and there is a use of bracket in it. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? First of all we will solve bracket, then multiplication and then addition. जब हमने multiplication को solve किया जो bracket में थी, so we get through this is 21. Plus sign as it is आ जाएगा and 12 we will write as it is. Fine. In the end we will solve 21 plus 12 which makes 33. ये clear है सबको? Okay. I have another example which is related to this. 6 multiplication by 18 divided by 9. 6 multiplied by 18 divided by 9. So what would we do in this? हम क्या करेंगे इसमें? Who will tell me? Yes, Iman, you tell me. Very good. We will follow BODMAS rule. We will follow BODMAS rule. Why we will follow BODMAS rule? Because there is involvement of bracket. Okay? यहाँ पर जो है वो ब्रैकेट की इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो रही है, so that's why we will follow BODMAS rule. We will follow BODMAS rule. If you look, we have in bracket is 18 divided by 9. ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास क्या है? 18 divided by 9. So when we will divide 18 by 9, we will write 18 inside the division and 9 is outside the division. I will read the table of 9 to make the nearest number of 18. So 9, as you know class, 9 times 18. 9 2 times 18. 9 2 times 18. Who will tell me what is the next step in division? क्या स्टेप होते हैं नेक्स्ट डिवीजन में? Very good. We will subtract here. We will subtract. So when we will subtract 8 minus 18, so we have 0 in the end. We have 0 in the end. We will write 6 as it is and we get 2 from it. Multiplication sign as it is, and when we divide 18 divided by 9, we get 2 from it. Okay? 9 2 times 18. 2 times 18. So we have 2 in the end. In next step we will write 6 into 2. 6 multiplied by 2. What is the answer class when we have 6 multiplied by 2? Very good. 6 into 2 is 12. 6 into 2 is 12. Fine. Now, I have another one. So this is all class. Okay, now I am going to revise. I have 6 multiplied by bracket 18 divided by 9. So what would we do? First of all, we will follow BODMAS rule because there are two operations are used, that is plus or multiplication and division. So we will follow BODMAS rule. Fine. ब्रैकेट भी इन्वॉल्व हो रही है तो हम क्या करेंगे? BODMAS रूल को फॉलो करेंगे. when we divide 18 divided by 9, we get 2 from it. Okay, हमें वहाँ से क्या मिला? 2 मिला when we divide 18 divided by 2. In the end, when we will multiply 6 into 2, we have 12 in the end. हमारे पास जो है वो क्या आ जाएगा end पे? 12. Fine class. सबको clear है? DMAS means first we will solve division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. In BODMAS we will solve bracket first, then division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So this is all. You have to revise the maths and board maths question which is related to 1D. I hope you all are clear. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.